When looking to replace a front entry door system, you do have a few options when it comes to a pre-finished door from the factory versus an unfinished door. And so most of the time with the pre-finished doors, it'll be a pre-painted finish in most of the popular colors, or you can even get like a pre-stained door, and that would be in fiberglass products. But you can get an unfinished door as well. So if you're something where you're very particular about what color you want, whether it's a painted color or a stain finish, you can purchase fiberglass doors that are unfinished, and they're essentially primed from the factory so that they're ready to be painted or stained. I personally have a wood door on my home. My home faces north. I have a good overhang on it, so I'm not really worried about weather getting to it. So I have a mahogany front door that we purchased unfinished, and then had our painter come in and stain it and seal it so that we could get the exact finish we wanted for it. So I love that with doors you do have options to be able to pick the exact finish you want, because doors are a fairly good size investment. And it's the first thing people see when they pull up to your house. So I think it's great that there are so many options between the pre-finished from the factory options versus unfinished that you can finish once the door's been installed. Finishing the door yourself is very much an option. So once our team has installed the front entry system, if you feel capable, then you're able to go and do the painting or the staining yourself. One thing I'd be very mindful of is making sure that you're taping properly around any glass openings, removing the handle set so that you can get a nice paint or stain inside of those areas, as well as making sure you pull off the weather stripping. Because if you paint it and then quickly try to close it, the next time you go to open it the next day, it's going to peel the paint right off with that weather stripping. So there is a little bit of a process involved, but one that we'd be happy to help guide our clients through if they decided they wanted to tackle it themselves. Very, very much a possibility.